How to set up VPN on Firewalla. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I wanted to go over on how to set up the VPN feature on Firewalla. What this will allow is VPN to your home network. The VPN service will be hosted at your home, which will make it more secure when you're surfing the web. This is good if you're remote in a coffee shop, hotel, or any public Wi-Fi. The feature is included in the Firewalla and it's free. I will go over the setup for iOS. This will work on many devices as long as you download the client. For iOS, we will be using OpenVPN. I have a detailed review of the Firewalla in my channel, so you can check that out. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. To begin, download the OpenVPN Connect app on your device. Open the Firewalla app and click on VPN. Enable the VPN and then select Setup. The next window, you will see the VPN profile that will need to be copied over to the OpenVPN app. You will also see a password that will be used to log in. To copy the profile over to the app, select Download VPN Profile. The pop-up window will give you an option to copy to OpenVPN. Once selected, it will then be available on the OpenVPN app. The profile will be listed and will need to be added by pressing the plus sign. Confirm by allowing it to add to your VPN configuration. Once added, you will see a new profile. The profile name can be renamed by pressing the arrow. The private key is a password that was in the Firewalla settings from earlier, the 12345 as the example. Clicking on the profile name brings the edit option to rename it. In this example, I have renamed it Firewalla VPN. After entering the password, you can establish the connection. You will see the status of connected along with the details of duration and traffic. To confirm on your device, you will just need to swipe down. In this example, we're using an iPhone 10. You will see on the upper left the VPN box, confirming that the connection has been established. You can now proceed and use the internet. All traffic now has been tunneled to your home network, and you can disconnect at any time in the app. So there you have it, the Firewalla VPN service. It was pretty straightforward to set up. There may be situations depending on your home network settings that may require a little bit more configuration. But all in all, it should be straightforward. This is a great feature to utilize when you are away from home. You can have peace of mind that your connections are secure in public and won't have to worry about hackers or your personal information getting into the wrong hands. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.